Speaking of vehicles, this next one might be the coolest looking vehicle ever.
Ever?
I don't know. The McLaren Speedtail. Have you seen it before? You probably have.
On Manny's channel.
Did he show it off?
I think he bought one.
The Speedtail?
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
Anyway, so here we have an unboxing video of the McLaren Speedtail. So you know that caught my attention. It actually shipped in a crate. And the spec on this one was enough to, catch my attention. This is obviously a very rare vehicle. And you can check out the way they did the unboxing. By the way, this is a $2.4 million car. Is that right? Made in the exact numbers, the iconic McLaren car, the Speedtail was quickly spoken for, despite the $2.4 million price tag. So, click there at this link where it says at this link. There you go. So it was posted actually to Facebook, which is a bit odd. And it doesn't actually have that many views either. So here's how it shows up. Check this out. Imagine this experience. A giant crate. And it's not like, we've done car unboxings in the past where you work with the company and you do some elaborate packaging that isn't real, but looks cool. This is actually how the car ships in this case, which is better.
Yeah. With the camera crew editing as well.
Well, yeah. I mean, the camera crew is obviously extra, but this is how it's delivered to you.
That's cool.
If you buy it, it's coming in this crate, and I love this spec with, I guess it's like silver with the black on top, and you can wait to see when they pull it out. I mean, this thing, it's just got that tail on it. I mean, hence the name, Speedtail, but it's quite a cool look. Yeah, so this one was ordered by this company, Avondale Group, and I guess they have a collection of cars and Premier Collection. They'll put it back up for sale. And that's the thing with these. A lot of people buying them is to go into the collection. And it could actually appreciate in value because of how limited it is. What do you think about the look? Look, right there. Pause that. Get out of town. Get out of my face.
That's also what Manny said, too.
Will, get out of here. No, seriously. Get out of here, Will.
All right. I'm on my way.
What do you think, man?
It's really cool.
Yeah.
Speedtail.
It's so
appropriate name.
It's unique.
Yeah.
It almost looks like it could drive in either direction.
Yeah.
Whoa.
One of the cool features I heard was it has electromagnetic glass or something like that where it can tint.
Oh, cool.
Automatically.
Nice.
Or you can control it, but it can become more opaque.
Depending on the circumstance, how sunny it is, whatever.
Yeah.
Tint on demand.
Super cool.
I like that.